What is going on, you guys? Balling out back here, Jackson here, and we're gonna be doing a rebuild in 2K19. Yes, 2K19. I don't know why we're not in 2K20, even 2K21, but I just wanted to kind of throw it back a little bit and try it. Why can't I? But yeah. I'm doing this because I want to. Can I delete?
Just delete a random one.
Huh?
Just delete a random one.
Cool. Yeah. So we're gonna be doing that. This is actually gonna be kind of cool. So I'm gonna rebuild the Cavs. So hold up. We're not doing no. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna be rebuilding the Cleveland Cavaliers. So this is gonna be pretty interesting. I hope I can get. And this next draft class is gonna be 2019 draft class, aka. Sure, I don't care. AKA the one with Zion. So alright, so our team is not that good. We got Kevin Love, Tristan Thompson, Jordan Clarkson, Larry Nance Jr., Colin Sexton, John Henson, J.R. Smith. God, this is from a little bit ago. Oh, we don't even have what's his face is here. Wow. Okay. So first thing we want to do is how much let's make everyone their prime positions. Oops. Quick edit. Wow, he becomes a okay. Okay. I don't care. Okay. Confirm. Alright, so how much salary cap do we have? Yikes! This team is terrible! And we have no salary cap! No way! Oh, that's not fun. That is not fun. That is not fun.
Why are you paying Brandon Knight $15 million?
I don't know. Alright, so first guy, we gotta get these guys out. I mean, even... Wow! Please get these guys out of here. John Henson, get out of here. Get the freak out of here. My gosh. This is sad. We need to free up some cap space. I would take that. I might take that. Robert Williams. Ooh, Patrick Beverly. Okay. Derrick Jones Jr. I'm not taking bitch trashes. Oh. That is a good trade offer.
Trade is so good. He's gonna be like an 80-something.
Yes.
Yeah, he should be.
I could also take a first round pick.
Look at any other trades.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Boom, let's go. That is a huge trade offer for, I mean, that's a huge trade right there. So, trade finder, I'm going to want to get Tristan Thompson out of here. I'm hoping to maybe get someone with Tristan Thompson. I don't know. Alright, I want to see how much value he has. Can you go, stupid game? Chanel. Why am I getting the exact...
This soundtrack was good.
Yes, this soundtrack was actually decent. I don't want to. No, I'm not taking this contract. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like any of those trade offers. Jordan Clarkson, you're getting out of here. Boy. God, I got Mitchell Robinson. That is so clutch. That is huge, huge, huge. I mean, he's young too, though. That's the thing. I don't know why he doesn't have more value. I mean, I could get a first round pick. Otto Porter, I'm not taking your contract. Ooh, that's a decent trade. All right. So I know we still have a few bad contracts. J.R. Smith, get the heck out of here. Sure, I'll take this. And then, okay. I really want to see. How do we still have that much in salary cap? Oh, we have so much luxury tax room though now. Yeah, so that's good. That's really, really good. And then I still want to trade. Oh, did I forget to turn team chemistry off? Shoot, no. I can turn it off through settings though, so yeah, that's fine. Team chemistry is not no. Team chemistry off. Get out of here. All right, cool. I don't know. I'm not even gonna look at it right now. So okay, those guys I don't care. Yeah, Matthew Dellavedova, you're making $9 million. I don't want anything to do with that. We're the 6th seed. I want to play Milwaukee because they beat them. All right, sim game. Sim game. Okay.
Milwaukee's gonna win.
Win this game. Oh, shh. Hey. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. Dang it. All right, just sim the playoffs, I guess. I don't care. Milwaukee won.
Was the 1 seed?
Dang, how did OKC get the 1 seed? I mean, they still have Russ.
Yeah, they Russ and Paul George.
Oh, yeah, they have Russ and Paul George.
Maybe Carmelo.
But still, where are the Lakers? The Lakers lost to Golden State. Come on, OKC, don't let Golden State win it. I freaking hate Golden State.
This is just LeBron. Yeah, there's no AD.
Oh, yeah, there isn't.
That's just LeBron.
Come on. Come on, OKC. OKC, you got this. OKC.
Is this gonna be? Okay, so this is basically just what happens.
No way the Raptors won. No way the Raptors won.
This is a close game too. Look at the bottom. It was a 5 point.
Oh, let's go. I love you, Kawhi. I love you. Yeah. Yes, I traded for him. Let's see who's draft lottery. This is huge right here. Okay.
You're not even up there.
I traded away my picks.
Oh yeah. So you want to go to the Hawks?
Miami?
Where the
Oh.
Hawks fell to 10? The Hawks had the number 1 odds and they fell to 10.
Mm.
Bro. You would have had the 18th pick.
All right, that's not bad. Oh, the Hawks got that pick too. Dang. All right, so I need Miami pick. That was a crazy draft lottery. I'm very happy I didn't try to trade for the Knicks pick.
The Hawks had the best odds.
Trade
They fell to
finder.
10. How?
Who got the draft lottery? Heat, Miami.
No, the other.
Where's Miami? Bam's only an 81.
You're probably in.
Wait, what can I trade finder? Nope.
I mean,
Nope.
that's.
Yeah, that's gonna be this is gonna be very hard to trade for. I don't care at this point. Oh my god. I'm taking Jaw. I'm taking Jaw. Alright. just got Zion and Jaw. 83. Oh my god. Lou Dort? Why did our... No, they're the same overall. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Rookie signing. Give me... Yeah. Why are you... Okay, advance, I guess. Alright. Hold up. Coaching game plan. So we're running... Do I want Tobias Harris though? That's the thing. Because, like, Iman Shumpert, I don't think I want Iman Shumpert playing. Okay. I could try to trade Fighter Dawn. No. Okay. What up? Proposed trade. Put Tobias Harris. Then Yeah, I'll definitely do that. I'm taking that all day. I mean, I don't know why you wanted Karis LeVert. I know. All right, so we got Kemba, we got D'Lo, Zion, DeMarcus, Valanciunas, and then Malik Monk, Willie Hernangomez, Rashard Holmes, and you. I'm gonna make Rashard Holmes or Willie Hernangomez as power forward. So quick edit. Rashard Holmes. You're smaller. I'm gonna confirm changes.
I think this team beats them too. Or at least take them just like. Golden State got everybody back except for Boogie.
Oof, I have no money.
You should get some money.
Can I even get you? What if...
Insanity.
Okay.
Insanity.
Okay, and then I'm gonna try to propose, trade finder. What if Zion gets traded here? Jason Tatum's not untouchable.
Yes.
Oh, he is.
De'Aaron Fox isn't.
I need a small forward. Tell me if you see anyone that you think it would be really good. Is there any like really, really good small forward?
Oh, Blake Griffin. Pascal.
I think I just made our team better.
Well, you're not with us. He's just the worst.
That's a low scoring game. Did I just make a god squad? I still have Zion, don't I?
This team is gonna be good for a few years. Unless you get good. Have you lost it?
Let's go. I TJ Warren on my bench, by the way. I traded Vucevic because I haven't lost since the first 2 games. Oh my god, this is like the biggest winning streak I've ever seen. Oh, to Memphis!
Wait, pause it.
They don't even have to Miami! Who do you have?
Lopez dropped 22. Wait, go back to your team. No, like in the box score. Go to yours.
John Collins and Zion. What are you doing? Why isn't Goran Dragic playing? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wow, we've lost 4 games this season. This is looking pretty nice. Don't they? Oh. Dang, we had back-to-back games at Toronto. Or against Toronto, I don't know. 31-5! Why are we losing to the trash teams, though? Like, why? Why? Are we not trying to break a record, guys? Are you not trying to break a record anymore? Because it looked like we were going to break the record, but now, obviously, we're not, because you guys have lost 7 games. I mean, unless you just don't lose forever again. Unless you guys just don't lose forever, which, obviously, you can do, because... Yeah, you guys cannot lose another game. They should have won. They should have won. And we're going to lose. Oh. We should have won to Washington, too. I don't know why we didn't. You freaking poop heads. God, why are we having so many close games? No, I don't care. Actually, sure. I don't care. I'll do Team LeBron. D'Lo's a starter! DeMarcus is in it too, and Kemba. Hey. Do I make any more trades? Probably not. Dude, I think this team can beat the Warriors. Do you think it? Yeah, we have. But... No, you poop heads! Why did you have to lose? You guys should see how long we've been trying to do this.
We are at 108 minutes on the yesterday.
Yeah.
That'll probably be like 30 minutes. Or maybe more because you made like 97 things that you didn't do.
I mean, what do we tell Ben here? Like, tell Ben to basically leave out most of the first season. I mean, we tell Ben to basically leave out most of the first season. And then completely take out the Madden video. I mean, this is probably going to end up being like 30 minutes long. And then kind of don't take out, take out all the season games. And, yes. And then just go to the trade. Just go to all the trades. Take out everything before I do trades. But just show all the trades and show all the everything else. I mean, this is probably going to still end up being a good 30 minutes. I mean, we've lost 14 games, Colin.
Actually, but you just lost like 4 games in the...
God, 60 bomb. April 1st. We better win on my birthday. You!
LeBron just...
I'm gonna fight someone. Actually, LeBron.
How did LeBron just crap on that entire team?
It better have been LeBron.
How many did he just drop?
It better have been LeBron.
Timothy Mozgov had 15. Brandon Ingram had
Kuzma even had a bad game, and Brandon Ingram. How the heck did you guys lose this game? Holy crap! Timothy Mozgov scored 15 points.
Why is he getting 26 minutes? He went 5 for 15, 1 for 8 from 3. I know that was Zion. Zion went 5 for 15. Nice.
Simulate the round. If we lose even a game, I'm gonna be mad.
16-0. Actually, get eliminated.
Okay, get out of here. Thanks. Oh. I'm not scared. What are you talking about? Oh my god. Oh, why didn't I slow it down at all? That fourth quarter was so... Gosh. Next game. Oh my god. Let's go, Philly. Let's go, Philly. Let's go, Philly. I mean, I'm just going to run it back with some team, basically. Yeah, I mean, Steven Adams is the only guy. No, I'm not even going to get anything. For agency, I literally don't have a pick. I think I can get Steven Adams back, but I don't know. Well, if I can't get Steven Adams back, that's not good. Oh! I just obliterated Golden State. Holy crap, I just obliterated Golden State. I just want to win the championship. Please, 2K, let me win the championship. Why can't you do that, 2K? Oh my god. I mean, this is literally the greatest team ever. Also, how is Brandon Ingram only an 84 overall? What did you say?
Thanks, man.
God, that's giant win streak, I guess, again. God, why have I played the Nets so much in the last month?
Last week.
Really? Come on. Why are you losing to teams like that? Ben's gonna have to edit this so much. Huh?
It's us, George.
Yeah, so we tell him to edit out all the Madden part, only show the trades.
Well, I can cut the men part.
Yeah, okay, do that. And then we tell him only to show the trades, and yeah, that's it. And then don't show any of the season, just show the playoffs. I mean, this video will probably be a good 30 minutes long. That was a cool. That was cool. No, I just want to get out of here. Our record's already worse than last year. My team is better though. I'm losing my mind. Wait, why did I trade Steven Adams for Brandon Ingram again? John Collins is the only guy. Wait, this is 19 too, isn't it? I don't know.
I just saw this on a TikTok.
What? Of course, but wow, that's kind of. What is the point? Never mind. Yeah, I can. I'm playing Toronto again. Why? Why? I don't want to play Toronto. I don't want to.
Lost anyone?
Yes, I took what's his face from them.
Oh, they got Rashawn.
Simulate the round. I swear to God, if we lose, I swear. Go up 3. Let's go. Let's go. Who are we playing next? I don't. Miami. Who do you have? Miami. Colin Sexton, Justice Winslow, Lawrence Jr.
That's a decent team. That's a deep team.
I swear to God, if we lose,
You shouldn't drop again.
Boston. Who does Boston have? Kyrie, Jalen Brown. Why is every team so good?
Oh, this is lovely, Dortmund.
Why? Why? Tell me why. God, that's loud. Sorry. Wait, Golden State lost. Golden State lost. Oh my God. Wait, we swept every. LA.
Oh,
LeBron.
Utah? Oh, you gave them. You gave them Steven Adams. And Rocco. Really good.
Okay, look at my team. 90, 91, 91, 90, 90, 88, 85. Are you okay? Are you okay? Sorry, I was laughing. Wait, why do we have Elon Chumpert again? Okay. Oh my god! You don't even... No! 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 I'm winning this game. Oof, I haven't played this game in a while. Pinball, I swear to my poop. Starters run. Oh, I don't care. Starters, I guess. Oh yeah, I have Boogie. Who's on Josh Hart? Crap. Why is Lonzo open? D'Lo, what have you been doing this game? Oh wow, I just greened. What have you guys been doing? Like what? I really wish I knew how much time is left. It's a little bit worrisome. It's a little bit worrisome that I do not know the time. Thank you. Go Zion, we're out. Zion, we're out. Foul. This game is so long. How much time is left? How much time? 7:18. Let's go, Zion. Oh, that's a good shot contest. D'Lo. Okay. And one! Let's go. God, I cannot time a shot in this game. Oh, give me that. Ben, cut this part out. Let's go! We actually won! Let's go! Cleveland! This is for you! Let's go! Finally! Finally! Let's go! That was great. Alright, thank you guys for watching the video. As you see, we finally brought it Chip back to Cleveland. And this team was really, really good. This video is going to be very long, but yeah. thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment ideas that we should do, and subscribe. Peace.